Good morning, my YouTube friends. Monica here with my Wow Style. Remember, God loves you. Today is day 6 of the 12 days of dessert. We are going to make some peanut butter chocolate balls. Come and watch me. Time to roll up our sleeves. Let's get into this. These are medjool dates, and you're going to want to pull out the seeds when you purchase them, because your food processor will not like these. I have 9 dates here. You can use 9 or 10. Now process this till it comes to a ball. This is called date paste. Now we're going to add 1 cup of all natural peanut butter or any nut butter of your choice. The recipe calls for 4 tablespoons of gluten-free processed oats. This is definitely too sticky and not enough oats, so I'm going to add some more. In the end, I added a whole cup of oats to get this consistency. Now it's a perfect consistency to roll into a ball. If you don't want to use oats, you can definitely use almond flour. Now I'm going to use my favorite ice cream scoop to scoop out all of the balls first, and then I'll roll them up later. Now I'll roll them all up. I wanted to show you the package of those medjool dates. I purchased them at Walmart. Even though they are all natural, they have 33 grams of carbohydrates and 30 grams of sugars for 2 or 3 dates. Now they're going to go in the freezer for 1 hour. I put our pecan tarts in the freezer. It's been 1 hour, so let's start making that chocolate dip to put those in. This is 1 cup of Lily's chocolate, and I like using butter, so I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of butter, but I end up using 3 tablespoons. I microwave these for 30-second intervals and stirred in between. After adding 3 tablespoons of butter, it is perfect now. I'm just going to use a fork to dip these peanut butter balls in and coat these balls. And use another fork to push them off, and then I'll touch up that fork spot with some more chocolate. Make sure that you scrape the sides of the bowl. That will help keep all of the chocolate warm. Since it's the hubby's favorite dessert, he is going to reach in and grab one. Here is dessert number 6. Oscar says he would like one, please. That butter makes these chocolate-covered peanut butter balls look so glossy, but they will melt really fast in your fingers. These will take a little bit of time to make, but believe me, they are definitely worth it. Well, thank you very much for watching the video on the 12 desserts of Christmas. And as always, may God bless you.